Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your employee account with Horizon Payroll Solutions. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, just type in horizonpayrollsolutions.com and press enter. You will then be taken to the official website for Horizon Payroll Solutions. Now in order to log into your account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. This will then take you into the login portal. Now from this page, you will find the admin login as well as the employee login section. In order to log into your employee account, simply click on employee logins and then select your appropriate login portal. After selecting your login portal, you will then be asked to enter your username and your password. So just go ahead and type in your username followed by your password and click on the login button, and this will log you in to your employee account with Horizon Payroll. In case you forgot your username or your password, you can find the forgot username and the forgot password button right underneath the username and password box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your employee account with Horizon Payroll. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.